In this tutorial I will show how to create letter poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Choose any color you want for the background, click OK. Choose Type tool. Add your letter. Press Ctrl+T, adjust letter size and position. Comments below your country name for next videos. Drag and drop image. Decrease opacity. Adjust image size and position accordingly. Reset back opacity. Press Ctrl+J, duplicate. Go to Select and choose Subject. Click on Layer Mask icon. Right-click on bottom layer. And choose Create Clipping Mask. Now select a layer mask. Choose Brush. Make sure foreground color black. And hide these areas. To fill area, just change the text color. Create a new layer. Choose Brush and select one of these cloud brushes. You can find download link in description. Change the color to the white and some cloud. Hold Shift and select all of these layers. Press Ctrl+G, group. Press Ctrl+J, duplicate. Select the bottom one. Press Ctrl+T for free transform. Right-click on it and choose Flip Vertical. And adjust position accordingly. Hold Alt and click on Layer Mask icon. Choose Gradient tool. Select this gradient and mask sure the color is white. And paint over this area to add reflection. Lastly, add your texts. Leave your comments below you have any question.